How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. We're going to catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. And as you all know, the whole stock market has just been disgusting today, right? And we just got to find out what are the best plays to choose. As for everyone that's in my Discord, you guys know what I'm in. And I'm very comfortable for the plays I'm in. I'm very confident they will rebound from today. And I have a nice accumulation rules. Accumulating is super, super important. If you're day trading, then yes, you get in and you have a stop loss and you're done. If you're swing trading, you have to properly accumulate because the dips will come and then you sell the rips. It's the most, in my opinion, the best strategy, and because it requires patience and you're just not like getting stopped out so fast, right? So let's go into BNED because this is one of my like A plus setups I'm seeing right now, and I'll tell you guys why. So when you see BNED, we had the band strategy, right? When you see a price go up, it tends to go down at these upper bands here where my arrow is. It can't sustain this area because it's hitting an average to range of 4. Can it go higher? Yes, but not much higher. And that's what price tends to do. And BNED went all the way back down to your EMA 5 for a little bounce, and then it goes to the EMA 10, which is what I call and in my Discord is the trampoline effect. And if you guys do want to get this system and actually learn how to use it and actually get my entries and exits, there is a link below in the YouTube comments. I'll pin it and you can join it. It's very nice. Anybody with 2 eyeballs and a little bit of practice and effort into this, you can really figure this out. But I'm going to go over it as brief as possible. So price went all the way to the EMA 10. We usually get a trampoline effect. I love playing it just one time. And as you can see, that first time is usually the biggest move. We went from 51 cents to 80 cents right up in here. All the way in here, made some massive moves. That was just beautiful. But then it doesn't respect the trampoline, and we go all the way back down, and we go under the EMA 20. If you guys don't know exponential moving averages, I probably use it the most rarest form. A lot of people don't understand how I use it, but just do remember price moves in waves. So what we're pretty much looking for is reversion to the mean. Where can we find where price has to correct? We don't care about where does it go like a month from now, or we're not trying to do that. We're trying to figure out corrections, because if BNED went back to 33 cents, would not everyone be happy about that? And that's really the short-term target I'm seeing right now. Yes, it went down just a disgusting amount. It went down 46%, and after hours it's up 7% today. I'm sure a lot of people are freaking out, and they're just like, wow, this is disgusting. Let me show you how you want to trade this, and if you're not in it, I'm super bullish now. And the reason why is, one, we have been under the EMA 5. If you can look, we touched the EMA 5 on this candle here. You can see it where it's close enough. And guess what happens? When you wait 1 to 2 days, this is where you oftentimes get this nice bounce. What we had right in here was 2 days not touching the EMA 5, and guess what we do? I do like to count this because it's like so close where it's like, okay, we're too close. We would never take an entry of BNED when it's that close. And so what happened is, if you got in this 25 cents all the way to 39 cents, this stock has, consistently been giving tons and tons profits if you played it right. Now, obviously, if you bought it way up in here, you're not really, profiting, and you're not enjoying these gains it's giving. So it hits this EMA 5 and then it goes all the way down. The reason why this is so nice, because look at this, what we have. I'm going to put the lines here. This is the black area we're in. Look at this room we have. Not oftentimes do you see that. When you see this, look what happened to this. We had this room right in here from that black area, and guess what? We filled it to a T, right? We were just too far down under here. So from the top of this candle here to the top of the EMA 5, we have a lot of black space. And there's a lot of measurements you can do, but I will say, guys, for a fact that is a lot of black space, and that's going to get filled to a correction to the EMA 5, and that is right here. But you might ask, well, how do you know when to buy? Like, how would you know not when to buy like 20 cents here or 18 cents here, or what could it go to 13 cents? We're going to go over that. But we just want to look at the daily time frame and say, okay, is this good for swing trading? Is this good to buy? Can we go to intraday time frame to look for a precise entry? And everything clicks for me, guys. This looks really nice. We have a KDJ of 11.24, which is this indicator over here. I'm going to pinpoint it over here, get my arrow right. So this right here, the KDJ, if you look, it's 11.24. It could be lower, so it's not like really bad, but it's pretty low. So what we want to do is we want to go to the 1 minute time frame here, and let's see what the 5 minute here looks like. So right in here is the 5 minute, and oftentimes you want to like accumulate, like I said. So when I say accumulate, we want to make sure that you're not just putting all your money in it. If we know the daily candle, for example, is going to retest the EMA 5, we have to be really careful because the EMA 5 is going to fluctuate. When you see like this was 40 cents, it went down to 32. We know the current price is 17, so there's massive room from 17 to 32. We just want to make sure we're just not like throwing all of our money in. And that's why when you join the Discord, please watch the accumulation videos. There's only one ad you do a day, and you get in precise entries. So for BNED, I kind of knew this was just going to keep on going down. The whole market was just really bad. And I'd be looking for a nice rally from here. And as you can see, after hours, it went from 21 cents from 16. That's actually really big. And what you want to look for is pinpoints like this. Right in here is a nice ad. As you can see, price is at the lower band, and usually you get a correction. What I tell people a lot of the time to do is look for price to hit the lower band, and then it comes up, right? We look for an entry at the low of this candle. If I'm hovering over it, the low is 0.1881. I usually do like just a little hot over it, so 0.1882, and you would be in on this candle here. Now, for example, since this is a 1 minute candle, price reversed to the mean very fast, but it does not mean it can't go down. And as you can see, we went down some more, and guess what? You would just be patient and look for the next ad. But I will assure you though, you only want to do one ad a day. If you look at the higher time frames, like on the 15 minute, you will see they respect a lot better. So like for example, right in here, if you bought it at the 15 minute, right in here, you would have got an entry. And guess what? Look at the gain you would have had from 20 cents, to 22. You could have had a nice little stop loss if it hits this and breaks a new low. Then you would get in on the bottom band right in here, which would have been really lucky because it happened so fast. But I really like using the 1 minute and 5 minute the most. As you can see, more precise where to go in. And as you can see, price reverse to the mean on any time frame. When we hit the bottom band, we hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. Just like when we go on a daily time frame, we have to hit the 5, 10, and 20. Today was just a really hard day. I'll be honest, guys. This day, you really had to have good discipline and not just frenzy buy, right? Do not just buy every dip you see. And a lot of people probably got stuck in that because you have to wonder, anything can happen in the market. And when you know that you can't control anything in the market and anything can happen, you have to expect the worst. Stick to the system, let the shorts just ruin the day, and let this thing go down 46%. And the thing is, if you only did one ad today, you will not be in such a miserable plan. And I talk about accumulation. If you watch the video in the Discord, it really details it in a much lengthy video. I don't have time to talk about it, but you would not be sweating this candle. I promise you. You would be actually kind of happy because you're going to make some big profits here soon. So this is BNED. I'm really liking this for a trade for Monday, and I will see where we take off from here. It's got really nice volume, 63 million, so I'm pretty excited about it. We have a nice clear support here at 15 cents. So we're pretty getting close to it, and we should respect the lows of that. So I'm getting really excited here. This is BNED. Hope you guys like my analysis. If you guys want to see my system, do join the premium Discord. What you want to do is click the link down below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you do click that link that's pinned, it'll take you to the free chat landing page. What I want you to do is hit how to subscribe, because if you have an Android user, you're going to want to watch this or read this. And then also click on avoid scammers. There's going to be a lot of people that do try to message me, guys, or do try to message you in my name and my logo, but do keep in mind it's not me. I never DM first, and the only thing I offer is the $6 a month. So if you want to access this super value deal, go to the subscriptions tab under premium chat, hit any of the channels, recommend premium chat, and it'll opt you to subscribe for $6 a month or 20 cents a day. It is so freaking good of a deal, and I'm telling you, I'm going to change you guys the way you think about trading. You know, because the market is super hard. If you guys haven't noticed, don't feel bad. Over 90% of traders lose. Why? Because one, they don't have a system. They don't have any strategy, and they just randomly thing. They see Roaring Kitty go on, they see GameStop, and they buy GameStop, right? Because everyone else is doing it. But then the problem is you want to not follow the sheep. I do trend reversals. I look for when things are depressing, and then I get in. And when things are just overhyped and just they're pumping, I look to take the opposite direction. So you want to have a system that works. I can assure you, I've done this strategy for over 6 years. It does work. And I've been profitable with an over 95% win ratio. And I'm about to prove it to you. What you're going to get is my alerts sent to your phone, RTK swing trades. I have education videos. This is where you find my accumulation video. I encourage people who are watching this, even in my Discord, that are a member, please rewatch it. You're going to need to watch that. I have my indicators set up right in here. And then RTK Journal. This is where if you click on this link, you get access to my trades with my averages and my wins and losses. Hope you guys really like this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel. Join the premium Discord for only $6 a month, and I'll change you guys' trading life. I really want you guys to be successful, and for only $6, I will not increase it ever. I want anybody to be able to get in and try us. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and much love.